Hi, my name's Jay Godwin, and for the past 20 years I've been building, renovating and restyling properties of all shapes and sizes.
And I'm hot on his heels with just 15 years in. I'm Cyan Astley and I'm a property renovator and interior designer.
So you're thinking about a new kitchen? Well, we're here to help guide you through the process to make that dream kitchen easier and closer than you may think.
Transforming your kitchen can make a huge difference to your house. It's a key room. It's called the heart of the home, after all. If you transform your kitchen, you'll improve the space you live in, you'll improve the quality of time you spend in there, and you could even improve the value of your house, which is why it's so important to take your time and plan it properly.
For this new kitchen guide, we're assuming that you're planning a new kitchen with no structural changes to your house.
So there are 4 key stages to think about.
Plan it. Plan the kitchen, know exactly what you want. We're going to look at researching and finding inspiration for what you like, thinking about the layout, lighting and storage, measuring up and getting a plan on paper.
Then you've got to go out and buy it.
We're going to show you how to estimate the costs and look at different buying options for your budget.
Third stage, you've got to do it. You've got to have the kitchen fitted.
We give you some tips on finding a builder or tradesman and explain how you can get B&Q to design and fit your new kitchen.
And then the fourth, you've got to live with it, and this is just as important.
You'll want to look after your new investment, and we've got some tips to make your kitchen last.
We're going to take you through all these stages in detail